Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to put double dots, also known as an umlaut or diaeresis, over a letter in Microsoft Word. We will cover a reliable built-in feature, as well as a fast keyboard shortcut to save you time. Let's dive right in. To add a double dot using the built-in equation tool, open your Word document and navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Look for the equation option on the far right and click Insert New Equation. A new menu will appear. Click on the accent icon and select the double dot option from the drop-down. A small dotted box will appear on your page. Click inside that box and type your desired letter. By default, this letter will be formatted in italics. To remove the slant, highlight the letter, go back to the Home tab and uncheck the italic button. You now have a perfectly formatted letter with double dots. If you need to type these frequently, using a keyboard shortcut is much more efficient. Simply hold down the Control and Shift keys, then press the colon key. Release all the keys and immediately type your letter, such as A, O, or U. Word will automatically place the double dots over it. Both approaches work perfectly depending on your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical solutions. Thanks for watching.